What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome back. I had to make me some breakfast tacos this morning. So we're going to start off by getting some sausage into a pan. And we're going to go ahead and get that all messed up. But yeah, y'all, I woke up mad hungry this morning. Had to get me some breakfast. Had to. I didn't really eat last night. I think I just had like a little sandwich or something. Wasn't really that hungry. But I'm hungry this morning. So, let's get this sausage broke up. And once we get this sausage broke down how we want it, we're going to go ahead and turn our attention to our eggs. And we're going to get 4 eggs cracked into a bowl. And once our sausage reaches this point, it's time to go ahead and get it out that Stelly shop. Because that's all we're looking for, a nice brown sausage. So we're going to get that onto a cooling rack with a paper towel lined on it, just to get rid of most of that grease. And then we're going to go ahead and get us some eggs whipped up. And after we get those eggs whipped up, we're going to toast us up a couple of tortillas. Get our pan clean and add those eggs to it. And then we're just going to keep whipping these eggs up until we get the perfect scrambled eggs for our breakfast tacos, y'all. Just like this, y'all. Just like this. So you know what time it is now. It's time to eat, y'all. It's time to eat. So let's go ahead and get us some of this sausage on our tortilla. Some of that egg. Now with mine, I had lettuce and tomato. Totally optional. But you know how I like my veg out. I gotta have my veg. I'm a veg head. You know that. But anyway, after that, we're gonna get some cheddar cheese on top. Now I added a little bit of sweet pepper sauce with mine. And oh my goodness. These tacos were so tasty and hit that breakfast spot. But anyway, as always, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.